Medicos Biotech. We provide beautiful and healthy life through biotechnology. Medicos Biotech pursue tissue regeneration and anti-aging based on synthetic biomaterial. By applying the system's metabolic engineering and synthetic biology, Medicos Biotech has the world-class technology to produce nature-derived biomaterial. The company produces spider silk protein. Material that was difficult to mass-produce through spiders and was almost impossible to use industrially. Spider silk is composed of spider silk protein, which is a repetitive sequence of glycine and alanine. Spider silk is stronger than steel when in the same weight. While spider silk proteins are effective in cell regeneration, both materials are biocompatible and biodegradable, which makes them an excellent biomaterial. However, due to the aggressiveness of spiders, mass production through nature is impossible. Therefore, research through other hosts, mostly microorganisms, were active. Medicos Biotech secured technology to effectively produce the material. Genetic manipulation of microorganism and application of metabolic engineering produced the target protein. Furthermore, application of synthetic biology platform further improved the production of spider silk protein. Proteins are produced through transcribed mRNAs, which are further translated into amino acids through ribosomes. Since proteins within all living things share the same codon, efforts are being continually made to produce various proteins from other living things through genetic manipulation. However, large-sized proteins from other organisms show difficulty during translation process due to lack of mRNA and mRNA degradation through ribonucleases. Medicos Biotech has developed a synthetic biology platform that prevents mRNA degradation through regulating the expression of RNPA, which is a composition of ribonuclease P. By suppressing the synthesis of ribonuclease P through controlling the expression of RNPA through application of synthetic regulating sRNA vectors, which has complementary sequence to RNPA, mRNA, reduces mRNA degradation and results in higher expression of the target protein. As a result, it became possible to mass-produce spider silk protein of various sizes. Medicos Biotech is currently developing wound healing patches, bioscaffolds, and functional cosmetics to lead the bio-related market.